What's good, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kings and queens, prince and princess? It's 9 Ether Engineering in the building. Emmy, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a battery using lime, lemon, and salt as the electrolyte, and then using two dissimilar plates, copper, which emanated from the Latin cuprum, and aluminium as the electrodes. And this is copper, and this is aluminium. So we're gonna make a battery using copper, aluminium, lemon, and lime, and salt as the electrolyte. So this is a battery I made. As you can see, this is 4 volts, as you can see, and it is less than 1 amp. This is MA. You feel me? So this is a homemade battery. As you can see, it's flat. This is a battery I made. So I'm gonna walk you through the process on how you can make a battery at home. So get ready as I walk you through. If you got a couple of bucks in your pocket, so you can shop at the grocery, get lime, lemon, these, and maybe these on Amazon. You feel me? So now let's get started. First thing first, you're also gonna need this. Okay, so now let me walk you through the process. So all you need to do is take from this, okay, now let's just take two. Then let's roll this. Got you. This is aluminium. Step aside. And now we're going to cut. This is copper and aluminium. Aluminium and copper. This is copper. And this is aluminium. This is copper right here. Alright? and now this is aluminum right here. Okay, now we just cover it up. Using a tape, you can stack better. Okay, now we have to cut this. Okay, let me get my strap. Okay, this is a unit, so I call this which means one head. This is just a stomach, okay? And this can generate up to 0.4 millivolts. Yeah, minimum. And when I stack this up in series, you can increase the voltage, alright? So let me stack this up in series. I will test and see what's good, how it's gonna pop. But first thing first, we're gonna have to dip this in an electrolyte we're gonna make from lime, lemon, and salt. That's a very dope electrolyte, alright? So I already made the electrolyte already, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna pause this video and then play it back after I stack this up in series. So stacking this up in series is making a bunch of these and connect the copper directly to the zinc. All coppers go to the zinc. Y'all should already know what time it is, how to connect this in series. Alright, as I do this right now, I'll play back this video. Alright, so now this is what it looks like after I stack it up in series. Like I made this. This is just like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So with this 15, ikesugi, ikesugi. That's 15 stomachs, alright? Or 15 cells, 15 units, as you want to call it. Alright, so now let's light up a bulb with this. Alright, so what we're gonna do, let me take one of this. Yeah, okay. And bend this a little bit so I can get the positive and the negative terminals. As you all know, the copper is the positive and the aluminum is the negative. You know what I'm saying? So now let's check this out. Alright. It's just an experiment. If you're a scientist, you're welcome. And if you're an astronaut, you're welcome. If you're an engineer, you're welcome. And if you're a student, you're also welcome. You see? Yeah. So this is how I made this. Alright? You see? Can you see that? Alright, and also like this is the negative terminal, and this is the positive terminal. Do you see that? Alright. Alright, so with that being said and done, as you can see, off, on, off, on, off, on. Just using this. Yes. Okay, let me turn off the light so you can see how powerful this is. Alright. Yeah. Do you see that? Do you see that? Now I off, I on, I off, I on, I off, I on. So on my next video, I'm gonna be showing you, yes, you, how to make a key switch using magnets. Alright, so subscribe right now, this minute, to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified, so I can let you know what time it is. So with that being said and done, it's 9 Ether Engineering the building, and goodbye.